5 money mistakes average people do all the time, but millionaires like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates never ever make. It takes years of hard labor, patience, saving, and rich habits to become a millionaire. A common person usually makes common money mistakes that cost them a lot of money in general. The single most essential thing you can do to become a millionaire is to learn from the ultra-rich. From Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates to Google's ex-CEO Eric Schmidt to Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett. Here are 5 things that the world's wealthiest individuals never do, and how you might adopt their good financial practices in your own life. If you at least have 3 of these 5 habits, be proud of yourself. You are on your way to massive success. Welcome to Wise Touch, the inspiration hub for ambitious future billionaires. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. Let's get started. 1. They don't strive to outperform the market. Billionaire and former Google CEO Eric Schmidt claims that short-term trading, buying and selling stocks based on daily market fluctuations will not make you wealthy. He constantly considers the long term and never attempts to outperform the market. Warren Buffett is likewise a firm believer in the long-term plan. Earlier this year, a few days after releasing Berkshire Hathaway's annual letter to shareholders, the billionaire went on CNBC and discussed why longer-term investing techniques like index funds still stand the test of time. 2. They do not rely solely on one source of income. Having numerous sources of income will allow you to make more money, and wealthy individuals seldom rely on just one. Consider converting your extra car into a ride-sharing service, doing freelance work, becoming a tutor, or writing about your areas of expertise. When I got The Tonight Show, I always made sure I performed 150 comedy show performances a year, so I never had to touch the principal, comedian and television presenter Jay Leno told CNBC. I've never touched a penny of my Tonight Show money. Ever. I've always had 2 incomes. I'd save one and spend one. 3. They do not disregard their credit score. Your credit score is a major factor in setting your interest rates. A good credit score may get you a low interest rate, which can save you hundreds of dollars in interest over the life of a loan. If you ever need a loan, a poor credit score may prevent you from getting one. Wealthy individuals are aware of this and never ever overlook their credit scores. They are continuously monitoring their score and doing everything they can to improve them. There are a lot of free applications that will check your score and even try to help you improve it. Monitor your credit report periodically, keep your debt levels low, and pay your obligations on time. 4. Marketing ploys do not fool them. Marketing ploys are everywhere, and wealthy individuals avoid them via comparison shopping. They respect to value, but they also consider the larger picture, weighing the benefits of quality versus cost. Do your research and evaluate your bottom line before making any purchase, large or small. You can save time and money by purchasing a more expensive but well-built item that you'll use for years rather than having to fix or replace a poorly manufactured one. 5. They do not spend impulsively. Millionaires spend a lot of money on crazy stuff, but the wise ones are surprisingly modest. Bill Gates is seen wearing a $10 watch. Warren Buffett eats the same meal at McDonald's every day for breakfast, and it never costs more than $3.17. Mark Zuckerberg drives a Volkswagen with a manual gearbox. Rich people do not become rich by spending all they own. They understand better than anybody that by shopping wisely, they can reach a lifestyle many rungs up the income ladder, says market researcher Pam Danziger. Impulse spending results in waste, overspending, and debt, all of which successful people avoid. Well, that's all about it. How many of these habits do you have? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.